Hello everyone. In the previous video, we discussed about the GPIO functionality of Holtek microcontrollers. In today's video demonstration, we'll be taking you through the timer module used in ST66F3195 microcontroller. The timer module which we are going to discuss in today's session is going to be periodic timer module. The 10-bit periodic timer module is a timer with 4 modes: compare match, output, timer event counter, single pulse output, and PWM output. It uses a 10-bit count-up counter driven by internal or external clocks and compares the counter value with CCRA and CCRP register using 2 comparators. Now, coming to the key features of the code. First, we have configured the WDTC register, which is nothing but the watchdog timer register. The WDTC is configured to enable the WDT with a timeout period based on the clock frequency. Then pin configurations. PAS15 and PAS14 configures PA6 as GPIO pin. The PAC6 is equal to 0, which is sets PA6 as output pin, and PA6 is equal to 0 initializes the PA6 to low. Coming to the timer registers, PTM C0 sets the PTM clock to F system by 4 2 MHz and enables the timer. PTM C1 enables timer counter mode and sets comparator A match as the counter clears condition. The PTM AL and PTM AH sets comparator A to 1000, meaning the counter resets after reaching this value. Coming to the interrupt enable, the PTM AE enables PTM A match interrupt. MF1E enables interrupt group 1. The EMI enables the global interrupt. In the interrupt routine, timer PTM, a static counter increment each time the interrupt is triggered. When the counter reaches 2000, which is equivalent to 1 second, it toggles the output pin PA6. Inside the main loop, GCC clear watchdog timer resets the WDT periodically to prevent a reset. Operation timing calculation. The PTM clock is set to 2 MHz. The PTM period 1 divided by 2 MHz, which is equal to 0.5 microseconds. Comparator A is loaded with 1000 value, which is generates a timer interrupt of 0.5 milliseconds. The interrupt frequency is equal to 2000 Hz. The counter logic toggles PA6 after 2000 interrupts, which is nothing but 1 second. Coming to the summary of this code, this code sets up the PTM in timer counter mode, toggles PA6 every 1 second, implements WDT to ensure safe operation. As you can see, the microcontroller has been connected to the IDE via our E-Link. Let us now apply a breakpoint. Go to view, use our cycle count feature Let us set the system frequency to be 8 MHz. Now we'll run the code. As you can see, the timer interrupt has been generated after 0.5 milliseconds. Now let us remove all breakpoints and apply a breakpoint inside the if condition. And again run the code. As you can see, a 1 second delay has been generated. This was about Holtek's PTM timer module. Stay tuned for further such videos.